Gateron CJs, CJ standing for China Joy, I believe. Nice new switch from Gateron. These were recommended a few times in my comment section. Although they appear to have ink top housings, they do not have a similar sound profile. These are fairly high-pitched sounding, middling volume, kind of sharp but not thin or harsh. Also worth noting, they do however have a very clean and consistent bottom out sound, even though they don't have particularly long stem poles. Smoothness is extremely good stock, definitely top 10, maybe even top 5 for stock smoothness, lubing only making it better. Similar to the sound, this was very consistent across all the switches I got. The new Gateron mold's clearly an improvement. A bit cheaper than Gateron inks, I got mine for 65 pence per switch, which is about 88 cents. I score this switch 21 out of 30. Objectively, overall, I think a very good switch, though I probably won't use them in a build.